So this here is a projection wall in Ostrava. What you see here, this is like perfect illusion, and in order to see this illusion, you don't have to wear any augmented reality helmet, because this is a projection technology. Like this is a light projected on the surface of the building. So you don't have to wear any device on your head in order to see this experience. This is another example of how projection technology can be used. This is a museum exhibit in Ostrava, and this is a piece, old ancient piece of a mammoth tusk, and we have illuminated this mammoth tusk with projection, so that visitors can see the actual shape and the real size, how this thing uh, looked like before. So you see in both these use cases, you see that projection mapping is about merging physical objects, physical reality, with a digital element. It's the magic of this technology is about merging physical and digital worlds into one thing. So here you can see that the corner pieces of the mammoth tusks are a projection on the wall, and the middle piece is the actual mammoth tusk. So so how is that possible that we have this technology available to make this perfect merge of physical and digital worlds? This is so strong in advertising. How is it possible that most of spaces still look like that? Like that we use a TV-like screens to display digital media, and then the physical world is completely a separate thing. Like we perceive the TV screen as a separate object from the reality around. So so why is that projection mapping technology is not more widely used? Well, the reason is that projection mapping technology is now in the same age as personal computers were 40 years ago. Well, Steve Jobs used to say that for 100 people who would like to use a personal computer or write a code, there is just one person who's able to build a computer. And it's the very same with projection mapping technology. Like in order to do a projection mapping show, you need a projector, obviously, and then you need a lot of stuff. You need to be very skilled. You need to combine a lot of technologies together, and that makes it very complicated. And this is the place where Lumitrix is coming as a disruptor into the market with a single plug-and-play solution that combines all technologies needed to run a projection mapping show into a single device, which is very convenient to use, very simple, and so rather than building projectors and building the technology, you can now focus on creating the content and doing the art. So, so this is our outdoor digital projection system, and let's compare this system to like the most commonly used outdoor digital media, which is LED screen. So, so you can see that projection gives a more immersive experience. It's this blend of physical and digital world. It's more like an illusion, more like a magic, whereas LED screen provides the old school TV-like experience. So it's not that attractive. Like it's well-known type of media, that therefore it's not that attractive for advertising. And so both of these technologies have their space in the world. But what's really surprising is that when you compare the price per square meter, projection technology is 10 times cheaper than outdoor LED screen. Like 10 times cheaper. Like that's a huge difference. And so why is projection technology 10 times cheaper than outdoor LED screen? Well, the reason is that in order to install an outdoor LED screen, you need to add a physical structure on top of the building. You need to do construction works, like you need to drill holes in the building, which is not always possible. And so this is very expensive, very costly. Whereas with projection technology, the only thing you need to do is to find a place for a small device across the street, and the whole surface of the building is illuminated from that single device. So this is why projection technology is way more like accessible. It's way faster to install, and it's here. So all you light designers, advertisers, creative people, like I want to tell you that projection technology is here. It's simple to use, it's fun to use, and it's beautiful.